What is e-commerce? E-commerce is quite simply the purchases of goods and or services via the internet. To date, over 40% of all internet users have made an online purchase, spending almost $1.5 trillion a year. E-commerce is split into 4 categories. Business to consumer, B2C, is what most people think of when they hear e-commerce. Remember when you bought that new t-shirt or that book from Amazon? That was you participating in B2C e-commerce. Consumer to consumer, C2C, is when goods are sold between consumers through internet marketplaces or online classified ads. eBay and Gumtree are prime examples. Consumer to business, C2B, involves you as a consumer providing a product or service to an organization. For example, a blogger may review a certain product for a business and be paid in goods or direct payment. Business to business, B2B, where business is conducted between 2 companies. A good example of this market is us. Hinsoup Digital offers a range of services and sells these services to other businesses.